much, Congressmember Jeffries.
Good afternoon, everybody. So good to be here, and certainly thankful for Lorraine Brown. She's the best healthcare network CEO this side of heaven, and we're blessed to have her here leading the charge with One Brooklyn Health. So many amazing things have happened in our community under her leadership, and of course to my colleagues in government, Assemblywoman Zinnerman and Chio Say, our council member, who's off to a great start. They are tremendous community partners with me, city, state, and federal, in trying to make sure that we continue to deliver for our community, to our district leaders who have been acknowledged, also stalwart civic leaders in this community, and to each and every one of you. I'm just so thankful that you have come out today for this health fair to celebrate what One Brooklyn Health really means for our community. Often it is the case that the communities that need the most in terms of healthcare resources get the least. And I'm thankful that beginning with the efforts of former President Barack Obama, who established, when he passed the Affordable Care Act, that healthcare in America shouldn't just be a privilege, it is a right. And it's a right that should be affordable and made available at the highest quality level for every single community, particularly those who need it the most, like communities here in central Brooklyn that tend to suffer disproportionately from some of the highest rates of ailment, whether that's diabetes or heart disease, respiratory illness, certain forms of cancer, and other ailments that plague our community. And so collectively, we're going to continue to lean in to making sure that One Brooklyn Health has all of the resources necessary to provide high quality, first-rate health care at Interfaith, at Brookdale, at Kingsbrook, and with our community partners. Thankful for the presence of so many of you today at this healthcare fair. So without further ado, I just wanted to present some resources that we were able to secure for some of the community health initiatives being led in such an extraordinary way by Lorraine Brown and others. This is my 5th term in the Congress, my 10th year, and when I arrived in Congress, they took away the ability for members of Congress to fight for resource allocations specific to community-based organizations. And thankfully, under the leadership of our Speaker and Leader Schumer and President Biden, this year, for the first time, the ability to fund and provide resources for community project funding has been brought back. And I was determined to make sure that there were resources that were brought back right here to Bedford-Stuyvesant and right here to One Brooklyn Health and its related partners. So I'm proud to present 2 checks to Lorraine, which you'll accept on behalf of the community. One is for $1 million for the One Brooklyn Health System, Interfaith, Brookdale Hospitals, 2022 community project funding, United States government, Representative Hakeem Jeffries. That's me, y'all. But this was...
That's $1 million.
And then the second is a related partnership that goes to Brooklyn Communities Collaborative, an effort that has been spearheaded by someone who we stand on the shoulders of as elected officials, former Assemblyman Roger Green, in partnership with SEIU 1199 and One Brooklyn Health. And Yvette Clark and I worked together on this particular project funding initiative where we secured $875,000 to the Brooklyn Communities Collaborative. And we're just getting started. And so, Lorraine,
So I'd like to ask Mr. Reed, Maurice Reed, who is also one of the founders of the Brooklyn Community Collaborative and also a board member of One Brooklyn, to stand here with us and to accept the...
Now, the money is good, I promise you that, but just don't go to the bank with this particular check. You guys come up.
Come up, everybody. It's for all of us.
There we go.
All right, we'll do one last one. What's the other one?
It's the million. One more. Can I say what this one's for?
Yeah,
Would that be good?
definitely, absolutely.
Yeah. You can keep the biggie on.
For all the people that lived above the building that I was when they called the police on me when I was trying to make a plan to feed my daughter. For all my peoples in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? So little baby, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine.